Aloha again, everyone. Mike Drutar, principal broker, owner, NextHome Paradise Realty. I am bringing you a awesome home. When you get inside of this thing, you're going to be blown away. The remodel job done on this is absolutely incredible. This is one of our listings. This is listed by Tanya Power in our office. Tanya's a certified home luxury marketing specialist. And we're going to get right to it. This is going to be pretty unique for our market here in Kona, just with how well of a remodel it is. We're looking at 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,904 square feet. We got a leased solar PV system, 2-car garage. Look at what they've done here. They got these 2 posts, one on either side, and then a bougainvillea covering going all the way across. Super cool on that. So the thing I like about this one, one of the things I like about this one, there's quite a bit, is the black and white. And this is something we see a little bit more commonly on the mainland. And it's nice to see that coming into play here on a property. Let's zoom in a little bit, get you inside, and get ready. This is different than most of what we have here in Hawaii. Okay, so this one is a split level entry. You come into your landing, you got a half a staircase down and half a staircase up. Really good job on the luxury vinyl flooring. These are those wide planks. Looks really sharp. And then these tile mosaics that they did going up the stairway. Really nice. Soon as you get up here, boom, ocean view right out there. So let's just get right to it. You have an awesome, huge, sweeping ocean view all the way across here. Look at that. You can even see down into town. And this whole wall here is just all windows all the way across. It really commands the room. So there's a lot to take in. I'm actually gonna, now that we showed you the ocean view, to take advantage of the light, I'm gonna stay back here, there we go, and show you what we have. There's a lot to take in. So I mentioned the luxury vinyl flooring with this wood look on the wide planks. So those look to be 8 to 10 inches wide and about 5 or 6 feet long. Each one of those planks staggered, of course. So it looks absolutely outstanding. And this home has been staged by Hualalai Stagers. If you're looking at finding some staging here in Kona, give them a call. She'll do an amazing job. She has staged this thing wonderfully. Absolutely perfect because it matches exactly what you're doing throughout the house. All right, so we got tongue and groove ceiling with these beams. A lot of work going into painting all those beams black, and then these 2 massive ceiling fans. Those are, well, they're almost 8 feet across. So those studs there, those beams are every 4 feet. So you got it hanging from the middle, and you're about 6 or 8 inches on either side. So those are probably 7-footers, maybe 6.5 feet. Those are really, really large, moving a lot of air up there. And this room is just massive. There's so many things you can do here in terms of how you set it up. Yeah, there's just a lot. I'd say this space here from the wall over here to the island is probably about 22 feet, 23 feet. Let's get over here to the kitchen and check this out. Love the work that they've done on that. So we got the shaker style cabinets, nice and smooth, soft closed doors, and then we have the black handles, and we're using those black handles throughout the home. And so that's kind of one of the things that we're seeing on the looks now, is once you do something, do it throughout the entire home. So we got black handles there, and you'll see black accents throughout. Now, I have to tell you, the first few times I saw houses with these black accents, I did not dig it. It has totally grown on me. I like it a lot now. We've got this tile mosaic for your backsplash going up about 3 feet from the top of our solid surface quartz gray countertop. Nice large restaurant style fixture there with our apron farm sink. Stainless steel on the dishwasher, stainless steel on the oven with 2 different doors. And on our microwave. And over here on our refrigerator with a side-by-side up top and a freezer drawer down below. All these appliances are LG. And then we got this island here. So you got about, I'd say, 5 foot by 5 foot of storage in here with the drawers that we have, the cabinets that we have. And then the overhang for the chairs over on this side. Really nice. Good job on the pendant lights hanging down and another ceiling fan over there in the kitchen. Plenty of cabinet space up top and below. Excellent kitchen. And of course, you're totally connected with this open floor plan to the rest of the house. Let's move through and get to first our upstairs guest bedroom. We do have, you see how they did this again, black on everything so it matches throughout. Looks great. We're seeing the same countertop look that we had over there in the kitchen, same cabinet look. Good job on that. And then over here into this guest bedroom. Lots of light coming in here. So this is going to be like on the cooler side of the house because this side, this wall here faces north, and great room to rest in. They did a really good job on the staging here. And then I like over here, we have our barn style. Let me open this. Closet. Plenty of space there. All set up. And then the owner's bedroom is really cool. Because again, just like over there in the living room, you have just this huge wall of windows with this awesome ocean view looking out. Big, big, big views from this one. I like how they have it set up with a desk area right here. The light fixture above. And we have the same open beam ceilings, tongue and groove, black beams. I like the propeller style fan. And then look at this on the back wall here. Really nice job. And then we transition over into the owner's bathroom. We go to a gray, dark gray tile that's 1 foot by 2 foot, staggered. Nice and sharp, dual sinks with 2 mirrors and independent fixtures. Again, black on the handles there with our toilet over here. And then into our closet. Plenty of space. Got some shelving put in over here. I like the orange boxes. And then here into our shower. So check this out. Push in here. So there's a couple things to note in this shower. I'm in the shower. One, that is about 18 inches by 18 inches, I'd say. So huge. And then you also got these 3 body sprayers down here. So that's really cool. And I think we're looking at like 10-inch by 12-inch tile. And then from here in the shower, I know it's not coming through right now, but you have your ocean view. There we go, adjust our light. Ocean view from right here in your shower. So how cool is that? Super cool. That's what I say. Got high, like 8, I think those are 8-inch baseboards all the way throughout up here. And things like this is what we're looking at. So notice how, think of the styling that we had with our shaker style cabinets over there. We like these just thick, not heavily ornate, flat look on that. Well, that's the same thing that you're gonna wanna see in these homes right now, going around the baseboards and the trim around the doors. So I know back in the day, you know, you'd have something here and it'd be, you know, have some curves and beveling to it and stuff like that. That is definitely not the look people are going for now in this trendy style that we're seeing an evolution to. And a lot of you guys on the mainland have probably already seen that. It's just slow to get here to Hawaii. So that's one of the reasons I really like this property. It's nice to see something a little bit different. And then check this out. So you had that huge living area. Well, you have this huge, I don't know what you call this, the TV game room. I mean, this is massive down here as well. So we have like, I guess you call it a kitchenette. It's a sink. You do have a beverage cooler, but there's no oven. Therefore, it's not a kitchen. Therefore, it is legal. So this would be like a great setup if maybe you like to entertain and put a little bar area down here. You can kind of make a couple changes if you wanted to. And then I like the shelving over here with the pipes, and of course painted black. Perfect. And I mean, this is another, I mean, boy, we're probably looking at 26 feet to the other side of the room. We've got another nook. Now you could come and put in a closet door there if you want. Maybe have a media center in there if you want to, put your hardware in there, or you can keep it as a desk area. We have a couple sliders out here that go out to our covered lanai. And then you have an extra viewing deck up there, up those stairs, of course. And just little things like using that black on there, black around on this piece. Little attention to detail, it's really good on this home. And then we still have some more. I've shown you 2 bedrooms so far. I'm sorry, I gotta give another shout out to Hualalai stagers. They did an amazing job. I mean, what a great picture to have there for your home. And these old, I think they're called papayo boards. Those are like the original surfboards that were just planks fashioned, that were used by Native Hawaiians back in the day. I might be saying that wrong. Happy to be educated on the right way to say that. I think I'm close, but I might be off a little bit. Beautiful picture there of Duke, Hawaii's Olympian. And then I like how they have this raw look on the wood coming in here to our last bedroom. Mirrored closeted doors on this side. And then we keep that raw wood look on the back. And one thing I want to call your attention to, so this is pretty unique. So we got our slider going out here again. That's not the unique part. These are vinyl windows now, or sliders. Now, I think I've shown you guys in some of my other videos a little bit of the difference. You'll usually have either aluminum or vinyl. Now, vinyl is really great out here in Hawaii just because of our salt air. Believe it or not, aluminum, it will corrode. It'll get some pitting on it, so not super ideal. But usually with these vinyl sliders, there's a lot of flex to them. It's just not as solid as aluminum. These are super thick. See if I can get in there and really show you. Look how, it's like 1/2 inch, 3/8 of an inch thick right there. And so it doesn't move near as much as traditional vinyl sliders. I don't know if he upgraded them or if there's, I don't know what it is, but these are solid. They do not feel like vinyl sliders. I actually thought they were aluminum when I first saw those. And then we still have bathroom down here, of course. We're continuing the same look. And then tons of storage here under that staircase, that half staircase going up to the upstairs. So a lot in here. Okay, my 3 favorite things about this one, obviously it's the style inside is number 1. I've mentioned it a number of times. I think you guys know I totally dig that. Really excited that we got this listed. Number 2 is going to be obviously the view. It is great. And this is like the lower level. You go up to the upper level and you saw how that view totally improved. And then my 3rd favorite thing, it's actually going to be 3A and 3B. It's the size of the entertaining rooms, both down here and upstairs. I think people are going to live in their homes differently for a while now because of all the changes that we've seen in the last few years. And entertaining at home with the people you feel closest to and most comfortable with, I think is going to continue to be more and more important. And having room to do that, I think is going to allow for the lifestyle that people want for quite a while. So number 3A is the downstairs living area. 3B is the upstairs living area. You could have tons of people here, have a great time, all connected up here with the kitchen totally open and our big living space and game room downstairs. I hope you like this. I'm Mike Drutar. Click like and subscribe, and I'll see you again real soon.